Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the cave crystal to get the crystallized mutation in Fish 8 game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to extract the glowing crystal to get the cave crystal using your pickaxe, which you can get from the Hang's Diary mission or quest. And after you extract the glowing crystal, you can go to your inventory and go to the items, and you will see the cave crystal right here. You can equip the cave crystal and you can hold the cave crystal, then you can tap anywhere to activate the cave crystal. I have already activated the crystal guys. Okay, this one, you can see the duration right here, and you just need to do fishing and it will help you to get the crystallized mutation. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the cave crystal in Fish 8 game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.